Looking for a gaming keyboard that keeps pace with your fastest moves? The HVER RGB Gaming Keyboard delivers precision with its 26 anti-ghosting keys, making sure every keystroke counts, even during the most intense gaming sessions. No more missed commands or frustrating input errors when multiple keys are pressed simultaneously. What really sets this keyboard apart is its brushed aluminum chassis. It offers a sturdy, flex-free platform that feels rock-solid under your fingertips. This design not only enhances durability but also adds a sleek, premium look to your gaming setup. Plus, the weighted base keeps the keyboard firmly planted, so it won't slide around no matter how heated the action gets. The HVER RGB also features a 3-color LED backlight with adjustable brightness, giving you just the right amount of glow for any environment. The double-injected keycap characters won't fade over time, maintaining clarity through countless gaming marathons. And with the Windows key lockout feature, you won't accidentally disrupt your game by hitting the wrong button. One U.S. user praised the keyboard's metal build, calling it a tank, and highlighting unique design details like 2 tabs on top that can even open a beer. For gamers who tend to be a bit clumsy, this keyboard is a reliable companion that handles drops and chord tangles without missing a beat. It might take a little time to adjust if you're used to a different layout, but the solid tactile feel from the plunger key design makes every press satisfying and accurate. Built to meet the demands of MMO players and fast typists alike, it reduces mistypes and improves overall control during gameplay. If durability and performance top your list, the HVER RGB is worth a look. It combines a tough metal chassis with thoughtful features that enhance comfort and gameplay. While more backlight color options would be a nice addition, the current setup already offers plenty of customization. Ready to upgrade your gaming gear with a keyboard that's as tough as it is precise? The HVER RGB Gaming Keyboard delivers solid build quality, responsive keys, and handy extras like Windows key lockout. Try it when you're ready to experience a keyboard that truly supports your gaming skills.